Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 11 from L16. A rectangle has a length of 8 centimeters and a width of 24 millimeters. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? And notice they do give it different choices here. So let's map this thing out. Now, they give the answer choices in either centimeters or millimeters. So it seems like we would have to kind of consider converting this to millimeters, and then if we don't see that answer, then we have to consider converting this to centimeters because that's offered as a potential unit. All right, so let's first convert this to millimeters. Now, if we convert that to millimeters, we find the best way to do this is to use our King Henry's chart. And if we find centimeters on the chart, that's right here. And we're converting to millimeters, it's one decimal jump to the right. So basically, we're just multiplying by 10. We're taking this number, we're multiplying it by 10. Multiplying by 10 is the same as moving the decimal over 1 to the right, so that becomes 80. Now, if we're going to find the area, or I'm sorry, the perimeter of this thing, if this is 80 millimeters here, that means that the opposite side is also 80 millimeters. And if this is 24 millimeters, that means that the opposite side is also 24 millimeters. And if we're interested in perimeter, we need to add up all of the dimensions here in millimeters first to see what happens. All right, so if we add 80 plus 80, that's 160. 24 and 24 would make 48. And let's add and see what we get, because remember, this will be in millimeters. All right, so here we get the 8, here we get the 10, and here we get the 2. So is 208 millimeters offered as a choice? It's not, but I do see the numbers 20.8, and they give it to us in two different things. So what if we were to convert this to centimeters? 208 millimeters, how many centimeters is that? If we use our King Henry's chart, we're going from millimeters to centimeters, so that's moving the decimal 1 to the left now, 1 to the left, so that means the decimal would go here, and let's see if that's a choice. Is 20 and 8/10 a choice in centimeters? And if it is, then you're going to go ahead and pick that. Just be careful, because there's two different numbers that have this. Pick the one with the right unit. All right, good luck finishing that up.